to their joint venture particularly. Well, for the time being, though, let's shift focus to our special segment, D-Street Chatter, where Nimesh is standing by to tell us how he's reading today's trading action. Nimesh.
Hi, Nigel. Very range-bound day of trade. I think Nifty has been ranging between 19,200 and 19,400. But in terms of flows, again, today will not be an important day from a flow perspective, largely because there's so much of adjustments happening with regards to a lot of the index changes as well. So that explains that there is not big moves happening in the large cap names today. The mid cap continues to outperform, so that's a bit of a positive sign. But again, even there, the feedback is maybe some signs of profit booking as well in select mid caps as well. I guess the theme which is going to dominate from here is going to be the earnings, and to start with, the two big IT numbers will report. So that's something to track as far as market cues are concerned. Also, the sense I'm getting is maybe next week you'll see the large caps, especially the likes of Reliance and HDFC, largely in focus because of the corporate development. So today HDFC Limited ceased to exist, and Monday is the day when the merged entity will start to trade. So that will be an important trigger for HDFC Bank. And of course, 28th is when the demerger, the record date is there for Reliance, Jio Financial Services. So those two are going to dominate as far as market trends is concerned next week. But largely in today's trade, a lot of flows are mixed because of its adjustments, and the momentum in mid caps continue. That's the broad feedback.
What about individual stocks, Nimesh? And particularly on just 1 minute on Delta Corp, have you heard anything?
So I can't miss Delta. That's been the biggest loser today, and huge volumes as well. So that's my first stock. Down after that, surprise GST announcement which has come, and big reaction as well, right? And the stock was actually overbought as well for the last many days. So huge volumes, but I understand at lower levels, some nibbling has happened. A large HNI investor and a leading domestic mutual fund was a buyer in today's block, and there were some blocks as well in Delta Corp. So the delivery volumes are quite high, but I understand there has been some buying as well from some smart guys. So that's the first one. The second stock is Patanjali. Again, in Patanjali, there was a block in middle trade, close to 11.5 lakh shares got changed hands. And I believe in Patanjali, a leading FI investor was a buyer in today's block. Remember, in Patanjali, the promoter block is still pending, which can come through via QIP as early as next week. So that's something to track in Patanjali. The third stock is Ashok Leyland. We've seen a big move in a lot of the auto stocks in the last many weeks now. Ashok Leyland now stands out because there is constant delivery buying happening from a leading FI in Ashok Leyland. So that's the reason it's come to my chatter list. And the last stock is IndusTowers. Again, this is one stock which has been quite active as far as trading is concerned. Big volumes as well at HNI desk. But for a change today, the feedback is there are large sell flows at a leading FI desk in IndusTowers. So the delivery volumes are going to be quite high, and that stock is marginally under pressure today as well.
Okay, thank you very much for that. Interesting to note that Delta Corp, I think some domestic mutual funds in HNIs are buyers at lower levels. Thank you very much for that insight. The Nifty is in the red now. It's down close to about 60.